Hello, Lisa Arana here, and thank you so much for visiting me today. Today's Assemble This video is all about using dies to create fun and easy cards to feature a beautiful colored stamp. I'm featuring this adorable Winnie the Pooh Oh Beautiful Day stamp set from Unity Stamp Company, because who wouldn't love a sweet and delightful Winnie the Pooh card? I have my image pre-stamped in Copic-friendly ink, and then I spent some time in front of the TV coloring these images with Copic markers. I added the birthday balloon to make this feel like a birthday-ish card. To highlight these colored images, I chose two dies that I thought would frame these perfectly. I have the scallops and rectangles dies, and then also make a tag die. I just framed those around to highlight the part of the image I liked the best, and then taped it down with pixie tape to hold it in place as I ran that through my die cut machine. I really love the stitch edge of these dies. It just adds a little touch that's just perfect. Then I just picked out some pattern paper that I thought would matte these images and kind of help those colors pop from the Copic coloring. And I just popped those up on those panels, and then I glued those straight down onto my card front. Next, I grabbed the Falling Hearts background die plate, and I just die cut out a bunch of those little hearts. I love that they're easy to match to your project just by coloring them with the same Copic markers I used to color in my images. I decided to focus on the red and the teal of the balloon. And so I colored 3 hearts and glued them down onto my card front, and then just popped up the little tiny hearts with a bit of foam adhesive. I just liked the dimension that created since these were feeling kind of flat. And here are our finished cards. I just love how easily these came together just by using die cuts. And they really feature that Winnie the Pooh Copic colored image just wonderfully. And I love how those hearts are perfectly matched by die cutting them out with that cover plate and then coloring them with the Copic markers. Just finishes off these birthday cards wonderfully. As always, I'll have all the supplies linked in the description of this video on my Dahlhouse Designs YouTube channel and blog. Please give it a thumbs up and subscribe if you enjoyed this video, plus if you have any questions or sweet comment posts below. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed, and I'll see you again soon. Bye.